Welcome to my channel. Just got your Dreame X40 Ultra and not sure where to start? Don't worry, by the end of this video, your robot vacuum will be fully set up and ready to clean your home effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and check components. Start by unboxing your Dreame X40 Ultra. Inside the box, you should find the robot vacuum, charging base, power cord, mop pads, and user manual. Remove all protective packaging and stickers before powering it on. Step 2. Set up the charging dock. Place the charging dock on a flat surface near a wall. Make sure there's enough space on both sides for smooth docking. Plug in the power cord and position the dock where your robot can easily access it. Step 3. Download and connect to the app. Download the Dreame Home app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app, create an account, and turn on your robot vacuum. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Pair and configure device. Once connected, add your Dreame X40 Ultra in the app. Give your device a name and assign it to a room. You can now access controls, cleaning modes, and schedules directly from your phone. Step 5. Create home map. Start the first cleaning cycle to allow the robot to scan and map your home. Let it move freely without interruptions. Once mapping is complete, you can divide rooms and set no-go zones in the app. Step 6. Customize cleaning settings. Now customize your cleaning preferences. Adjust suction power, water levels for mopping, and schedule cleaning times. You can also choose specific rooms for targeted cleaning. And that's it. Your Dreame X40 Ultra is now fully set up and ready to keep your home spotless. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.